Hello everyone. This video is to know how to calculate the molecular formula from the empirical formula. How to calculate the molecular formula from the empirical formula. So I'll take few examples like if the empirical formula, if the empirical formula you have already calculated, and let's say it is CH2O. Okay, that's the empirical formula, and you are asked to calculate the molecular formula. So you can do this table in the rough, in which you write the mass of this. Uh, Mass of this formula, 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen and oxygen. The empirical formula का mass 12 plus 2 plus 16 will be 30. The mass of the molecular formula, this is nothing but MR, molecular mass, which will be given in the question. Okay. Let's say if they have given this to be 60, which means that the mass of the molecular formula is double, which means the molecular formula also will be double of empirical formula. So C2H4O2. So those who cannot do this mentally, you can do this, draw this table in the rough and then decide. Okay, or in the calculation that we need to show, just simply show that molecular formula is equal to 60 upon, because this is the molecular mass that they've given, divided by 30, which is the mass of the empirical formula, into empirical formula. But even if you don't show this, it's okay. You can directly write the molecular formula by calculating. So that rough calculation by with pencil, you can just show in the rough, and that's how you find out molecular formula from the empirical. Now another example, I will take if the empirical formula is, let's say, P2O5, and you have to find the molecular formula. So here again you will do the same thing. Molecular mass will be given, MR will be given, which is, let's say, 284 is the MR given. You find the mass of the P2O5. P2 matlab 2 phosphorus, 31 into 2 plus 16 into 5, which is 80 plus 62, which is 142. So here again you can see that it's double. The mass is double, which is molecular formula will be double of the, which is P4O10. Okay, so this is how you find out the empirical formula.